Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Oston called Cypher, back again with another brand new video on web development. So in this short tutorial, the simple short tutorial we are having on the channel right now, I'm going to be showing you how you can restrict the input characters in your form fields. Imagine you are having the form field of phone and somebody writes in a letter and submits to your database, so that will make no sense. So we are going to be restricting what users input on those form fields on your web page or website. Now to start this, we are going to create the form tag, the opening and closing. I'm going to put some label. I'm going to put the label. It's opening and closing, so these ones can be on the same line. No need to waste our lines. We say enter. So these are the common expressions you find on a website. Then we create the input field, and this is going to be text. Name can be option unless you're going to be using some server scripting language like PHP and you target like users in your databases. Now here we only need the placeholders, and I'm going to write only this, and enter only letters. So this is the message that will be displayed to the user or visitor that comes on your web page, and this is what you're having. So user can come here and write every nonsense he or she wants, and that's not what we want. We want users to write only letters. So here user can write letters and numbers. So we are going to be restricting what the user inputs in this form field. Let's go. I guess this is the only stuff we needed. We only need now to click to put the event, what will happen when the user writes in that form field. So on key up. So on key up, we are going to call a function called letters only. So these functions are user defined, so you can write anything you want, so that you tag, so long as you write the same function, that is, so long as you put the right function that you wrote in your JavaScript. And we are going to say this because we are targeting this form field. Are you getting it? I hope you're not lost, because this is very simple. Now let me pull back here. So we are telling, hey, on key up letters only this, so we are targeting this form field. Now that's all we need for the HTML or the body section. We go up in our head section and write the script tag. Now remember, we have put some function here. We have to create also our custom function on this side. So this on key up will pick all the code this side up and apply it in the form field. You say function letters only, and open your curly brackets, the opening and closing curly brackets. Now what are you targeting? We are targeting the input field. So this is going to be our event where the user places the mouse or types in, and we are going to say var regular expression regx, and we say it's going to be equaling to these 2 forward slashes. Then we put gi. Now what this does, this performs the global match. So if anything is matching that form field, it will let it go. Now this one is case sensitive in matching, so if anything doesn't comply to what is passed in between these 2 forward slashes, this will refuse that thing to run. So it's case sensitive. I write our brackets, these square brackets, and we are going to put this, it's like a filter, and we are going to say we need letters from A up to Z. So A, don't include anything that is not between A. Now this one's like, hey, please don't include anything that is not between A up to Z, and we put your semicolon here. Go to the next line, and we are going to be capturing that value that will be put in the text field. Input value equals input dot replace dot value dot replace. So we want to replace it with our regular expression. So replace, it's going to be like a function, and we say regular expression, and we want to replace it with nothing. So you replace it with nothing. Now, I guess this is the only stuff you need, and your code will run. Save. We are going to explain this when we come back, and go back to your browser. So you see, when I come here and I put in my name, it will allow, but check out when I try to place a number. Are you seeing? They will refuse the number. So I will not be allowed to enter in something that is not a letter in your form field. So that's how you can restrict users from entering those unwanted characters in your web page. You can go ahead and add as many form fields as you want, so long as you put this event on that form field and the JavaScript is already running. Nothing will be allowed to enter there. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope I'll see you in the next tutorial. So imagine, what if this was a form field for like a phone? So when you need only numbers, just go out and remove this I from 0 up to 9, and here we can put only numbers. Are you seeing that these things are very easy? We just removed the I and we left the global matching. And come back here, refresh. So when a user tries to type in the letters, check what they are doing. They are restricting the user. The form is like, hey, don't write any letter inside here. My developer refused me to input anything that is having a letter. So see, when he writes, or he or she writes a numbers. Are you seeing? That's cool. So guys, if this tutorial was useful to you, go ahead, subscribe to this channel. Are you seeing Oston Code Cypher? So after watching, if you're new to the channel, after watching the channel trailer, please go ahead, hit this subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Please click the button and subscribe to the channel. Please click the button.